Hi Rasika.
Hello.
Welcome to Voice of Artist.
Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure and honor to talk to you just before you're about to perform in Adi Ashtakam. Who are you presenting today?
I am presenting the river Yamuna, and so my Ashtakam is the Yamuna Ashtakam. So what I will be presenting is all the associations with river Yamuna.
Doing this, embodying a different entity altogether while you dance, what value do you derive out of it?
So yes, a lot of study goes into this, a lot of study has gone into this. So basically, we all know Yamuna. First thought that comes to our mind is Lord Krishna. So a lot of association of river Yamuna is with Lord Krishna, and all that happens on the banks of the river. So Krishna and Radha, Krishna and gopis. But at the same time, what does this river have to tell us? And it's basically that she is a very calm river where Shrungara Rasa is very, very vibrant. And that is what it portrays, because I think the river Yamuna is a very calm and quiet river. So naturally, all these positive happenings take place on the bank of this river.
Because you get to experience different personalities and traits,
Correct.
like you just described the calm and
Yes.
composed form of Yamuna. Does it also come into Rasika?
Yes, many of them say it describes me that way. Like I am a calm person, a quiet person. But at the same time, I feel I can associate myself with this river because just like her, I am also fond of positive elements in life, fond of Shringara, and all these vibrant moods that I'm depicting through my Ashtakam. So, because you asked me the question, how have I embodied it? So, I have tried to, or rather, when I was doing this study, I have not only embodied the qualities of the river, I have related myself with the qualities of river Yamuna. And at the same time, all the happenings that take place, and when I'm depicting the characters, Krishna, Gopi, Radha, and of course, Adi Shankaracharya, in one small glimpse, I show the great artist himself, where I try to show how he must have thought when he was portraying, when he was writing this poetry. Right. Or at the end, I depict Narada. So, how he must have felt while singing praises of river Yamuna. So, that is what I think I have tried to embody as a part of this study.
That's the power of art, and that's
Yeah.
the intent we have in Voice of Artists,
Yeah.
that we want to show the world how art can actually change our lives also.
Right.
So, my last question to you is, Rasika, what is your voice of artist?
So, I believe that the voice of artist is what a perspective. Each artist has his or her own perspective, which is reflected through the work.
Right.
And that is what makes that artist distinct from the other artists.
Beautiful.
And that is why each work is different and very, very creative.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
you
you.
for coming to
Namaste.
Voice of Artist.
अतिपण्डितानिशं भूषन् प्रपातक प्रवञ्चन अतिपण्डितानिशम् सुनन्दनन्दनाङ्गसङ्ग रागरञ्जिताहिता धूनोतु मे मनोमलं कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा धूनोतु मे कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा सैकता चितन्तरा सदा सीता तरंग संग सैकता चितन्तरा सदा सीता सरन्नी सकरान् सुमंजु मंजरी सभाजिता सरन्नी सकरान् सुमंजु मंजरी सभाजिता भवचनाय चारुणा गुणाधुना विशारदा धूनोतु मे मनोमलं कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा धूनोतु मे मनोमलं कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा कालिन्द नन्दिनी सदा जलंत केली कारी चारु राधिकांगरागिणी जलंत केली कारी चारु राधिकांगरागिणी
ता तिनक टिट्टे दादा तिनक टिट्टे ता दादा तिनक ता तिनक ता दादा तिनक ता तिनक ता दादा तिनक धाती दादा तिनक धाती दादा तिनक धाती ततक ततक दादा तिनक धाती दादा तिनक धाती दादा तिनक धाती ततक ततक धादरकड़िता धादरकड़िता च्युतांगराग लंफटाली शालिनी च्युतांगराग लंफटाली शालिनी बिलोल राधिका कचांत बिलोल राधिका